Hello, friends. Today, we're going to make something really special in our backyard. A mini pond. It's a perfect little home for frogs, bugs, and other tiny creatures. Are you ready? Let's go. First, we need to find a safe and shady spot in the garden. Frogs like cool, damp places, and bugs love plants nearby. Make sure your mini pond is away from big roads and where pets can't disturb it. You don't need anything fancy. You'll need a shallow container or tub, some clean rainwater, a few smooth stones or pebbles, some pond plants or water weeds, a few sticks for bugs to climb out. Place your container on the ground. It is even better if you dig a hole so that the top is level with the soil. Add the rainwater, not tap water, because it can harm tiny creatures. Put in the stones so frogs can rest and bugs can land. Add your plants to give shade and shelter. Check your pond every few days. Make sure the water doesn't dry up, and take out any rubbish or dead leaves. Now the fun part. Just wait and nature will come to visit. Frogs might hop by, dragonflies may buzz over, and you'll see water beetles zooming around. Remember, never take frogs from other places. Let them find your pond naturally. Enjoy your water pond. See you next time.